Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys lock screen setting, and today video title is guys how to add tags on lock screen in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to add tags on lock screen, so how to add tags one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, you want to show any tags, you want to add tags on lock screen. Here open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone display brightness setting. After guys phone display brightness setting, friends you want to use adaptive brightness setting, dark mode setting you can on from here. Friends, you want to change your device font size, you can change from here. Friends, click here second last option lock screen setting, and friends click here add tags on lock screen and enter tags. So friends, I will add here my phone, my Infinix mobile, and friends you want to add any emojis, so you can add from here. Save. After save friends, lock your screen. And friends, if you on your screen, so friends you can check tags will show on lock screen my Infinix mobile. So friends, I have white tag, that's why you cannot see properly, but friends you can check these emojis. I added these emojis on lock screen. So like that friends, you want to show any tags on lock screen, and friends you want to remove and you want to change your lock screen tags. Open your phone display brightness setting again, lock screen setting, add tags on lock screen, remove. Save option where tags will remove, and you want to change, so you can change. So friends, we will change here good morning, morning time, morning time. So friends, we will add sun. Save option, and friends you can check lock screen tags will change morning time. So like that friends, you can use lock screen shortcut setting in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.